Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your mobile app for GDPR consent using OneTrust, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your OneTrust account. Navigate to the Consent Management section on the dashboard. Select Mobile Apps from the available options. Click on Create a new app to start setting up your app for GDPR compliance. Enter the required details such as app name, platform, and version. Upload your app's privacy policy link for users to review. Next, configure the consent banner settings. Choose the type of consent you want to collect, such as explicit or implied consent. Customize the appearance of the consent banner to align with your app's branding. Add the necessary consent text that informs users about data collection practices. Make sure to include options for users to accept or reject consent easily. Once the banner is configured, proceed to set up the consent management preferences. Define which categories of personal data will require user consent. Link the respective data processing purposes to ensure transparency. Set the cookie consent preferences if applicable. Test the consent banner on various devices to ensure it displays correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to improve user experience. After testing, deploy the updated app version to your App Store. Monitor user interactions with the consent banner through OneTrust's reporting features. Review and analyze the consent records to ensure compliance with GDPR guidelines. Stay updated with any regulatory changes that may affect your app's compliance status. Regularly update your consent preferences to reflect changes in your data processing activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.